Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to make this easy beef roll-ups. Guys, this roll-ups is so easy to make and yet it is so tasty. So if you want to learn how to do it, then just keep watching. And while you're watching, guys, do not forget to like this video and leave comments in the comment section down below and subscribe to my channel. So the first thing you'll need will be your thinly sliced steak, and you'll need some sliced mushrooms, roasted bell peppers. Today I'm also using Monterey Jack cheese and some shredded mozzarella. You would also need to have some minced garlic and some basil. So to assemble my beef roll-ups, I am going to start by applying my garlic to my beef. Guys, I'm telling you, garlic and beef is a match made in heaven, so do not skip this step. But if you do not have fresh garlic, you can use garlic powder, but the fresh one is way better. So once I have my garlic on there, I am going to be seasoning my meat with some salt and freshly cracked black pepper. So today I am keeping the seasoning really simple because I want the flavors of the beef and the cheeses and the mushrooms and the bell pepper to really shine. So once I have my seasoning on there, I am going to add some of the Monterey Jack cheese, and I'll top that off with my mushrooms and my roasted bell pepper. Guys, make sure you slice your mushrooms really thinly because it makes it cook faster. So I'm adding my roasted bell peppers now because, you know, it is so good. It melts in your mouth and it's packed full of flavor. But if you don't have roasted bell peppers, you can actually use the raw ones, but I like the roasted bell peppers. The flavor is amazing. So once I have my basil on there, I'm going to be topping this off with my mozzarella cheese. I'm adding as much as I want to. Go ahead and add more or less. It's all up to you. So once I have my mozzarella cheese on there, I am going to be rolling these babies up. So try to roll it as tight as possible because when you cook it, it's going to shrink. So try to roll it up so that way you don't have a gaping hole in the middle of your roll-ups when you are done cooking it. So once I'm done rolling my roll-ups, I am going to be securing the ends with some toothpick. So this is going to keep it from unraveling when you are cooking it. So now I'm going to head on over to the stove and start to cook it with some oil and butter and rosemary in the pan. And then I'm going to add my roll-ups in there, and I am going to cook this for about 1.5 minutes per side. Because my beef was really thin, just 1.5 minutes per side was enough to cook it through and through. But if you are using like thick beef cuts, then you might want to cook it for maybe 2 minutes per side. But be careful, guys, you don't want to overcook your beef and end up with dry roll-ups. It doesn't taste good, okay? So try not to overdo it. So 1.5 minutes worked perfectly for me, but it's your meat, so you are in control of that, okay? So just keep an eye out and make sure you don't overcook it. And after you are done cooking it, take your roll-ups out of the pan and let it rest for a minimum of 5 minutes, okay? Do not be in a hurry to cut it to it. So this is what it looks like in the end, guys. Amazing. I'm telling you guys, this tastes so good. So now I'm scooping up some of the drippings that were left over in the pan because that is Flavor Town, guys. Flavor Town. So now it's time to taste it. Amazing. I'm telling you, this tastes so good. The flavors of the mushroom with the roasted bell peppers and the garlic, oh my god, plus the cheese is amazing. It tastes so good. You need to try it, guys. You need to try this one. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and like this video. Leave comments in the comment section down below and share this video with your friends and your family. I love you all. See you guys in the next video.